First of all, I'm gonna wash the silver beet. Once it's washed, I'm gonna rip or tear the leaves from the stalk. Now, really important that we're gonna keep the stalks because we're gonna cook that off and add that to our mix. So now silver beet, readily available in your stores. Also called chard. There's also a rainbow version, which is quite bright, which is also available coming into autumn. So once we finish tearing our silver beet, we're gonna put it in the bowl, we're gonna put that to the side over here. So obviously I can be a little bit chefy here and use my knife and show off, but I'm gonna show you how easy it is to use the brawn chopper and make you look like a professional. Simply take the lid off, like so. Just tear the stalks up. Let's get them in there. Rough as possible, it doesn't matter because the chopper's gonna do all the work for you. Get the lid down, on top, and then we push. Take it off again, get another little bit of a shake, just loosen it up, and then we go again. I'm now gonna turn the gas on, get some heat into the pan. Good glug of olive oil. Everything loves olive oil. Now, we're just gonna saute the stalks off until they soften with a little bit of garlic and salt. Well, stalks will go in, nice sizzle, a little bit of garlic. Everything loves garlic. And then obviously a pinch of salt. Give that a little stir. Just to sweat it out, take the liquid out. So now, I'm gonna massage my silver beet leaves. Just tear it up so you get little pieces like so. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a little cheat with my good friends Chucks, and I'm gonna show you how to squeeze a lemon without a lemon juicer. This is my favourite little kitchen hack. What I'm gonna do is open the chucks up, like so. Cut your lemon in half. So it doesn't matter if you have seeds or you don't have seeds. Lemon goes in, pull it tight, and squeeze. So once that's done, I'm gonna grab my hands and just start massaging. What happens is the acid in the lemon breaks down the leaves and softens. So once it's nice and massaged, we're gonna grab half of our feta cheese, like so, and we're gonna crumble it. This feta cheese is perfect for crumbling. It's nice and dry, and it's salty, so you don't need to add any extra salt to this dish. There's plenty in the feta cheese. Massage it in. Now I'm gonna zest my lemon into my spinach mix. Give it another little mix, just mix in the zest. We're gonna get stuck into our RDM pizza dough. Now, there's a little bit of a stigma around frozen dough products, but this dough is top of the range. 72-hour fermentation and a 7.5-year mother. If anyone doesn't know what a mother is, it's a sourdough starter. So this is packed with flavour from the last 7.5 years of use. So here I've got some semolina onto your bench, your dough, there we go. Just get a bit of semolina. Now, I use semolina instead of flour because semolina doesn't dry out the dough as much. It's a lot easier to use, and when you put it in the oven, semolina doesn't burn, whereas plain flour does. So just give it a bit of a flat with your fingers like so. Grab your rolling pin, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll this to the size of a dinner plate. As you can see, I'm getting a nice plate size here. This is gonna be perfect to fold our calzone. So now we've got our dough in our nice plate size. Down it goes. We're gonna grab our silver beet mix into the middle of the base. I'm gonna fold this over and I'm just gonna pinch it rough. Like, no one wants to be too fancy here. Before I do that, I'm gonna grab some of my Riverina Feta, break a bit off. Just gonna crumble a bit on top to make this extra cheesy. So as you can imagine, you've got the lemon, the salty feta. This is gonna be absolutely amazing. Let's fold it over, just pinch like so it holds in the oven. There we go. Our calzone, ready to go. Now, what I'm gonna do is grab a bit of glad paper, put this on our tray so it doesn't stick. You can also grab a little bit of semolina, just put it on the tray like so, just so we don't have any stickage. I'm gonna grab the calzone, nice and gently lay it down like so. Now, we're gonna grab olive oil, just a little bit of a brush, just give it a nice gloss in the oven and so it browns up. Now, a pinch of salt on top of our calzone. Now, I've already preheated my oven, so I'm gonna put it in there for approximately 25 minutes. So here we are, here's our calzone, already cooked. Look at that. Just get a little bit of a brush of olive oil, just give it a nice shine. like so. Take off your calzone. Gonna give it a little bit of a cut. Place this down. Cheek of lemon. Little squeeze. And here you have it, by Silverbeet Calzone, under $10. Calzone.